Welcome to Phase 2. Let's see how we can install Ubuntu. Follow the same steps since we need the same for the final project. If you enjoyed this video and want to follow the complete journey of building powerful open-source remote desktop fully free, please like, share, and subscribe my channel.